Charlottetown Radio. This is Diamond Star November 243 Delta Sierra on the ground at Charlottetown.
November 243 Delta Sierra, Charlottetown Radio.
Yes, good morning. We're taxiing out to runway 21 and have an IFR flight plan on file for Halifax.
Roger. Good morning. Roger, runway 21. Wind is 270 at 12. It's occasionally gusting in the vicinity of 16, 17. Altimeter 2973. Runway 28 is also available.
Okay, we'll taxi out to 28.
Roger, runway 28. Affirmative. ATC clears November 243 Delta Sierra to the Halifax Airport by the Charlottetown 3 SID departure. Flight plan route, clock 4316. Do not depart until validation is received.
Okay, Diamond 243 Delta Sierra is cleared to Halifax for the Charlottetown 3 SID, clock 4316.
Readback is correct. Standby validation. 243 Delta Sierra, you are valid. Charlottetown 3 departure, runway 28. And if you could read that back, please.
Okay, cleared for the Charlottetown 3 departure, runway 28, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
Readback's correct. Report ready to roll.
3 Delta Sierra roll, report ready.
Going to,
And we are departing Charlottetown.
sorry, sir. We're going to get Sierra Juliet.
Moncton Center, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra, 1,300, climbing 3,000 off Charlottetown.
243 Delta Sierra, Moncton Center, today you are identified. Maintain 3,000, clear directly Ross.
Maintain 3,000 direct to Ross, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra. All right.
So pretty here. Just this idyllic island.
And Moncton Center, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, do you have ceiling only at Halifax?
At 243 Delta Sierra, the ceiling in Halifax is 9,500 broken.
Okay, thanks. 3 Delta Sierra.
You didn't really need IFR. Oh well. I am always happy.
Woohoo! Rock and roll!
243 Delta Sierra, Halifax Tower, good day. Altimeter 2980. Number 1, runway 23.
Number 1, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra. IJG.
3 Delta Sierra Tower, the wind is 2409. You're clear to land runway 23. Not too much delay off the runway. There's faster traffic behind you.
Clear to land 23, Diamond 3 Delta Sierra. Diamond. Get a flap speed. Flap speed. Passenger mixture prop switches.
Delta Sierra Tower, thanks for the help. Exit Delta, contact ground 1219.
Exit at Delta and switch to ground. Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.
November 243 Delta Sierra Tower, our correction ground, Roger. Be left turn on the apron there and just follow that straight ahead. That'll turn into Alpha. You're going to follow Alpha all the way to the end, and then it's a right on Juliet.
Okay, left on Alpha and right on Juliet. Diamond 3 Delta Sierra.